Hey guys, it's Claire from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. I'm here to talk about the importance of differential services. This customer had their diff replaced due to the pinion bearing inside of here being noisy. So as they were driving, it sounded like a growling noise, which wasn't very good. So basically there was a lot of metal on metal action, and there was metal flakes inside of the fluid, which is no good. Which is important why you change your diff fluid every 50,000 kilometers as industry standard, or every 3 years. Without doing that, basically the inside of the differential can grenade, basically, and everything can go metal on metal, and you'll get some pretty bad noises. You can get your mechanic or come here to get our mechanics here to get the diff fluid checked. That is the check plug there. You'll also find the drain plug to exchange the fluid there, and that's why you should get your diff fluid exchanged every 50,000 kilometers or 3 years. Here at Urban Automotive, safety first. Don't forget to like and subscribe.